And now on to Jamaica, where the Black River Hospital in St. Elizabeth Parish has been left devastated after Hurricane Melissa. Now, drone footage from the site shows gaping holes in pediatric roof wards and also debris scattered across hospital corridors. Doctors and nurses say they struggled through the night to move patients as ceilings collapsed and floodwaters surged through the emergency section. Now, Dr. Jenna Simpson from the hospital's emergency department said that staff did try to clear the hospital as much as possible, shifting patients between floors and chaos. Further, hospital supervisor Odell Brown said that communication lines were completely down and many workers had no contact with their families while continuing emergency operations. So with the facility now rendered non-functional, emergency cases are being diverted, adding pressure to the hospitals in Kingston and Mandeville. Now, officials have confirmed that Hurricane Melissa made a landfall in Jamaica's southwest as a Category 5 storm, which left, in fact, 4 people dead on the island. Now, in the neighboring Haiti as well, at least 25 people were killed following days of torrential rainfall. Now, viewers, more than 70% of Jamaica's power grid remained down throughout as the rescue teams and soldiers cleared roads which were choked by fallen trees and debris. The storm had, in fact, weakened to Category 1 strength as it moved northwest over open waters near Bermuda. In the Bahamas, meanwhile, storm warnings were lifted through officials stopped short of declaring an all clear as damage assessments are still continuing on the ground. Now, back at the Black River Hospital, staff said that the destruction will force a complete rethink of hurricane preparedness now.
I am here, want to go home, want to know how my families are, how my residents are. Right now, I'm far away from my residents, my families. I don't know what to do. I don't know, no connection is going through for my families. But I just want my families to know that I am safe. And the patients that were here, they are safe as well. We are on the children ward right now, and what we're seeing is that this is a PD ward here, where most of our babies will admit on this ward and stay in this ward. So in order for them to get their medication and get well and go back home to their family. To me, it's a great loss here right now. Children are out there, probably need medical attention, and we are unable to provide such medical service to them at this moment.